Welcome to our video on the cost-saving benefits of the ABI BoardMaster. This versatile PCB test system offers a comprehensive solution for electronics maintenance and repairs, conveniently housed in a 19-inch rack case. For repetitive situations or manufacturing lines, the BoardMaster can be attached to a custom bed of nails or edge connector harness. This forms an efficient end-of-line or maintenance test unit, tailored to test most PCB technologies and ICs efficiently. The BoardMaster provides sophisticated and programmable investigation methods like VI testing and digital analog IC checks. These methods speed up thorough PCB testing tasks, making it invaluable for engineers facing supply chain challenges. Traditional end-of-line testing often relies on custom-designed test jigs and conventional equipment. These methods are hard to automate, highlighting the need for accurate, reproducible, and bias-free measurements in manufacturing situations. Testing assembled electronic circuit boards is crucial in production. Efficient detection of malfunctioning units is essential, but reducing rejection rates and maximizing throughput are additional benefits of using a BoardMaster system. The ABI BoardMaster meets these needs with its CD drive-sized test instrument modules. It offers complete testing and fault-finding capabilities for almost any kind of PCB, ensuring consistency across different locations. With 128 digital and 24 analog test channels, the BoardMaster enables various test techniques to find subtle faults, even on unpowered boards. It guides users through procedures with custom annotated images and instructions. The BoardMaster is quicker and more economical than traditional methods, allowing procedures to be performed by less qualified technicians. This efficiency translates to significant cost savings and operational benefits for companies. Using the ABI BoardMaster for IC repairs not only saves money, but also helps the environment by reducing waste. Its adaptability ensures it meets evolving testing needs over time, promoting efficient resource use. The BoardMaster's ability to provide quick pass-fail and component fault results enhances productivity. It simplifies the testing process, making it accessible and cost-effective for companies looking to optimize their operations. Thank you for exploring the benefits of the ABI BoardMaster with us. Manufactured in the UK by ABI Electronics Limited, it is available through our US and Canada distributor Selig Company. For detailed specifications and free technical assistance, contact Selig. For more information, visit our website at www.selig.com or call us at 1-800-7-SELIG. We hope this video has been informative and helpful in understanding the advantages of the ABI BoardMaster for your PCB testing and repair needs.